Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the practical path. Use a USB-C adapter for instant results or plan a port replacement if you need permanent USB-C. Once decided, get the right tools, precision drivers, spudger, soldering iron, flux, and a compatible Type-C receptacle. Make sure to back up your data and power the phone down. Remove the battery or disconnect power before opening. Now, remove the back cover and unscrew the midframe so you can access the charging assembly and inspect the micro USB port. If you chose the adapter, plug it in and align pins carefully. Adapters can bend contacts, so test charging and data transfer and stop if anything feels hot. For a permanent repair, heat the micro USB joints with a temperature-controlled iron, apply flux, and gently remove the old port. Clean pads and clear solder bridges. Once clean, position the Type-C receptacle precisely, tack the mechanical anchors first, then solder signal and power pins. Make sure pads are solidly connected and there are no shorts before reassembly. After soldering or inserting the adapter, reassemble the phone, reinstall shielding, torque screws evenly, and snap the back cover into place. Then test. Plug in a known good USB-C cable and confirm charging, data sync, and OTG device recognition. If everything works, you're done. If not, check one key troubleshooting item first. Inspect solder joints and mechanical anchors for cold joints or bridges. Make sure the cable and adapter are good, and check the device's charging fuse or IC before assuming hardware failure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.